Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss system lists and how to configure them in Birdview PSA. System lists are essential for customizing and standardizing key project and activity attributes across your organization. They allow administrators to define and manage elements such as categories, priorities, resource workload thresholds, vacation types, and public holidays, ensuring consistency and clarity throughout the platform. To access and configure system lists, navigate to Company Settings and select System Lists. Users with the Manage System Settings permission can view and modify these lists. For instance, under the Priorities tab, you can add new priority levels, rename existing ones, or delete them as needed. Similarly, in the Categories tab, you can create and manage categories that help in organizing tasks, issues, or requests effectively. Workload thresholds are another important component within system lists. These thresholds allow you to define percentage-based workload limits, which are crucial for resource planning and management. To adjust them, double-click on the slider bar, modify the values, and assign appropriate color codes for visual representation. You can also customize vacation types to match your organization's policies. Birdview provides 7 preset vacation types, including regular vacation, leave of absence, trade show, bereavement, training program, and travel day. Administrators can add new types or modify existing ones to suit specific requirements. Public holidays can also be added to by clicking on the Add Public Holiday button. If no region is selected, the holiday is treated as global and applies to everyone, affecting project and activity dates. If a region is selected and matches the user's profile location, the holiday is treated as local and affects only that user's workload and time logs without changing project schedules. Lastly, under the Tax Rates tab, you can add tax rates that can later be used in the invoicing module. By effectively utilizing system lists, your organization can tailor Birdview PSA to fit your operational processes, ensuring a more organized and efficient project management experience. For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.